everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you a pickle, instant pickle. How are we going to make it? I have shown you a video other day to make a pickle in a traditional way, which is a normal way you can do it, but this one I'm going to show you in easy steps. As you see, I have so many lemons. And there are so many. This tree is full with lemons. I already plucked out 2 baskets here, and I'm going to take some more. Then I'm going to show you how to make a pickle, and which is going to be instant. As soon as we are done with the pickle, you can eat it right away. And let's go to our kitchen and start making our delicious pickle. This is very quick and very easy recipe to make instant pickle. I have 2 different kind of lemons. One are these large ones, and then these are tiny ones. The tiny ones have softer skin and these tougher skin. So you can use either one, but I'm going to use right now the smaller ones. This instant pickle, I'm going to make a Khatta pickle. As soon as we are done making it, you can eat it. It will be just like a store bought. And let's get started, and I will show you, I'll walk you through, and now I will zoom in so you will see what exactly I'm doing. Since we are making it Khatta, we're going to use the sugar. That's a 1 cup I'm using it. Degi mirch, that's going to bring the color to our pickle. So we're going to add spices from the masala dabba. It's very important that you wash the lemons and then pat them dry. We're going to cut these lemons in half, just like that. And these lemons, what I'm using at this moment, these lemons are seedless lemon. And if we take a look on these lemons, these have a seeds in. These are the bigger one and with the tougher skin. And these are also have a lot of seeds inside. So once we cut it in half, I'll cut one more. We're going to get the juice extractor. You don't have to take it out all juice. Whatever you can take it out, just like this. This is perfect. So once we take it out, I'm going to keep continuing doing it the same way. You have to squeeze it this much. And I'll show you one more. This is good enough. So now the next step will be finishing up cutting all these in half, then extracting the juice. Once we extract the juice, and we're going to cut into 4 pieces like this. If the lemon is too big, then cut it into like this, 4 pieces. So we're going to cut it, all of these lemons just like this. Don't discard the juice. This is the juice we're going to need it again. To make our pickle, we're going to use this juice again. So this is out of 2 lemons. So I'm going to keep collecting the juice and keep cutting it. Last 2, I'm almost done. We all done. These are all the cut lemon. We got 2 cup lemon juice. The lemon was full with the juice. The lemon pieces. Now we're going to steam it and we're going to cook it well. I'm going to use a pressure cooker, and I filled halfway. I'll use this strainer and I'll put it on top of it, just like that. First, we're going to bring the water to boil. The water started to boil. We're going to put the strainer on top, keep the gas on medium now, and we're going to place all those cut lemons on top of it, and we're going to cook it on steam. Cover with the lid. We're going to cook it on 20 minutes on steam. It's been 20 minutes on the steam. I'll open it. We can move it on. Once the skin gets softer, that's all we need. As you know, the lemon skin is really tough, and that takes time. This is a butter knife. If we press it from even this side, it's cut through. So this one is pretty nicely cooked. Turn off the gas and let it cool down. Now we're going to work on our syrup. Get a karahi and keep the gas on medium. Bring sugar. Add water like a couple tablespoons. Gets wet, that's all we need. And now on a medium gas, we're going to cook it. So this one looking good. As you've seen that the sugar start to change the color. This is all we need. We don't need to cook it too much. So now bring the gas to low and we're going to add spices. 1 teaspoon salt. And when you put it in, then just keep mixing. Just like that. Keep adding spices and keep mixing. Red chili flake, 1 teaspoon. Mix it. 1 teaspoon garam masala. Mix it. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Mix it. 1 teaspoon cumin powder. Mix it. Once it's nicely combined, degi mirch 2 teaspoons. 1 and 2. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, now bring the gas to medium and we're going to cook the spices along with our syrup. Keep it moving and we're going to cook the spices along with the syrup for 2 minutes. Cooking spices for 2 minutes. Add lemon juice extracted from all the lemons and keep mixing. Bring the gas to high and we're going to bring it to boil. It started to boil, bring the gas to medium, cook for 5 minutes and keep it moving. Cooking for 5 minutes and we're going to add lemons. So just make sure that when you put it in, you don't splash it. Put it on the side and mix it well. So on medium gas, we're going to cook it for 10 minutes. On medium gas, cooking for 10 minutes. Now we're going to turn off the gas. So as you can see, it's cooling down, and once it's cooled down fully, then we can to transfer this one into the pot. We waited for 1 hour and it's nice and cold. Look at it. Sweet and sour pickle. This is the instant pickle. You can eat it right now. This is fully cooked. You will enjoy it. So I have my pot ready and we're going to transfer this one into the pot. This is very delicious pickle, and as you've seen, it did not took us long to cook. Make sure that we're going to scoop out all the masala. This is all sweet and sour masala. I just made it this much so you can see it how it's easy and efficiently we can make pickle at home. And I have too many lemons as you've seen, and I'm going to make a pickle of this one same, and then I'm going to put it inside, and this is a big jar. It can hold a lot of pickle. So the pickle is all ready, and I hope you like this video, and if you like it, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking, and I'm going to see you soon with another recipe. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.